when you send a pitch, you don't send out willy-nilly, you don't send out rubbish, you just, you really nail it down. So always include something personal in there. Don't waffle, you may be a great writer, but they might ask for writing samples, but your pitch does not have to be a novel or a novella. You need to just sort of keep it really short, really easy. And I think one of the ways that I differentiate myself is by pitching really quickly and really easily. Some people like it, some people don't. You can either take me or leave me, and that's the way I'm going to communicate with you across the whole board. So you might as well get used to it now. It's going to be very much, this is me, this is what I can provide for you, this is the rate I do it at. If that's not suitable for you, that's absolutely fine, then you're welcome to go and find somebody else. And I find it tends to cut through the clutter, because fundamentally clients are looking for several things. They're looking for, can you complete the work? Do you have proof that you can do the work, as in have you got testimonials or have you got examples and things like that? And what am I going to need to pay you? And fundamentally that's what it comes down to. And